Learn English with your Instill.
Hi everyone. Welcome to this video on English writing. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to improve your writing skills, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll go through practical tips and easy steps to help you write clearly and effectively in English. By the end, you'll feel more confident in expressing your thoughts in writing. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's get started. Improving your writing skills requires consistent practice and a few focused strategies. Start by reading widely to expose yourself to various writing styles, vocabularies, and structures. This will help you understand different approaches and inspire your own creativity. Next, practice writing regularly, whether through journaling, blogging, or even short stories to build fluency. Pay attention to grammar, punctuation, and sentence structure, as these elements are crucial to clarity and readability. Don't hesitate to revise your work multiple times, focusing on enhancing coherence and refining ideas. Seeking feedback from others can also provide valuable insights and help you identify areas for improvement. Finally, expanding your vocabulary and experimenting with different writing techniques, such as varying sentence length and using metaphors, will make your writing more engaging and dynamic. One way to boost your writing is to expand your vocabulary. Try learning a few new words every day and use them in sentences. This will help you sound more natural and make your writing more interesting. You can also learn phrases and expressions, not just single words, to help you write more like a native speaker. Another helpful tip is to make outlines before you start writing. This way, you can organize your thoughts and make sure your writing has a clear beginning, middle, and end. Outlines can help you stay on topic and make your writing more logical. When you write, remember to keep it simple. It's better to use clear and simple sentences than to try to use complicated words and long, confusing sentences. If you use a complicated word or phrase, make sure you know how to use it correctly. Writing too much or too little can also be a problem, so practice finding the right balance. It's helpful to read your writing after you finish to make sure it says what you want it to say. Watching English movies or listening to English podcasts can also help with writing. These activities expose you to different ways of speaking and writing and can help you learn new ways to express your ideas. Try copying sentences from books or articles that you like. This helps you understand structure and flow, and over time, you will be able to use those structures in your own writing. When you practice, set goals for yourself. For example, try to write 200 words a day, or write about a topic you enjoy for 15 minutes each day. This will help you develop a routine and make writing a habit. You can also use writing prompts or questions to spark new ideas and inspire your creativity. If you're stuck, writing prompts can give you a place to start. Also, make use of technology. There are many apps and websites that can help you check your grammar and spelling. Some examples include Grammarly, Hemingway, and language learning tools like Duolingo or Babbel. These tools can help you find and fix errors in your writing, and they can give you tips on how to improve. Finally, try to stay positive and have fun with the process. It's okay if your writing isn't perfect at first. Everyone starts somewhere. The more you practice and challenge yourself, the better you will get. Don't forget to celebrate your progress, even small improvements. Writing is a skill, and like any other skill, you'll get better with practice and patience.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.